What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2005 Nissan Sentra GTR. 6-speed or 5-speed. With an open coat. Is that good coat? Is that a good coat? Yeah. You enjoying it? Anyways, Nissan Sentra GTR. Boom. 4-cylinder turbo. 6-speed, 5-speed. I don't know for sure. Is it a 5 or 6-speed, Terry? 6-speed. Remember that, boys. 6-speed Nissan. You don't see these every day, Nissan Sentras. Anyways, factory converter there, secondary converter there, factory resonator there, then 2-inch pipe all the way to the top. It was leaking right there, and we told Terry, it's time. And he goes, time for what? Delete the muffler, delete the resonator. But he wouldn't delete the resonator, but we deleted the muffler and threw in a quad tip. Because, you know, why not? It looks better, cleaner, nicer, and amazingly Spec-V. Nismo. You have a Nismo tune on? It's got a Nismo tune, so you guys just wait. Don't ever underestimate these cars. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It had this massive muffler on it there. And that's where it was leaking right there on that clamp. We took it off. Here comes Mr. Juan. See, it was all welded, broke, MagnaFlow. Can you display it for us, Juan, with your hands? Yeah, right there, as you guys can see. There, see? And it was leaking up here. So we said, we don't need that. Do we need that? No, we don't need that. So we took it off. And we're gonna give it to the scrap guy. He just showed up. See? Say yes. Yes. He's excited too. See, everybody wins. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. I hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe. If you don't know where we located, Terry?
Dickerson Pike.
Dickerson Pike, and where?
Nashville, Tennessee.
Nashville, Tennessee. And he's all the way from Mississippi. He just moved down here. So we appreciate him coming down. Let's see Terry's reaction. Go. Yeah. Come on, man. I think he likes it. I saw so much better. You gotta take the resonator out next.
That's next.
Yeah, if you want it crazy light, you gotta get that resonator. Here's sound decimals. 102. That don't sound too bad for a 6-shift. Yeah. Custom lights, custom everything. I like it. That sounds good. It's a 6-speed too.
Yeah, that's great.
You approve too?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Before it rains. That sounds so good. Yes, sir. You guys gotta admit that sounds good. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Terry would have a cone in his car as his passenger. He just got her this morning. Let me know what kind of name we should name this cone. Don't tell nobody he's got it though. That's him, Terry. See, that's not us revving it. That's Terry revving it. Oh, there's the gear. What? Just wait for the bird out. It's gonna be fun. Go, Terry. Oh, he's setting up, guys. He's setting up. Beast mode out of a Sentra, guys. Look at that. Hell yeah. Enjoy, guys.